Hey guys, welcome back to aussi, loca. Today I'm going to explain you why do we need soap for our body. So, as we already know, hot water helps us rinse off all the dirt, but not all. Hot water only rinses off the sweat, but what about the oil? Soap helps in rinsing them both. What soap basically does is make them both dissolve, so that when you rinse it with hot water, everything will go in just one wash. Now I'm going to show you how is this possible. So all you need for this experiment, a glass of water, make sure it's transparent so we can see what's actually inside of it, and now pour some oil into it. Any kind of oil would work. Okay. Now let's try to mix it. As you can see, how much ever I try to mix it, it's still bubbly here and there, right? Hence, the water is not dissolving with the oil. So, it's not going to be washed off along with the hot water. Now, let me add some soap. Now, let's mix the soap solution. As you can see, in no time, it has all dissolved. You can see no bubbles, and you can't even differentiate between where is oil and where is water. So this way, when you rinse the glass off, all the oil along with the water is all washed off. So thanks for watching this video, and if we get a 50 subscribers, we are going to show you how to make a scratch note.